Hey there YouTube, we're here at the Gold Jeep. Pulled the carpet and insulation out to get a look at what we got going on. I ordered a panel here so we can repair all this rust that's up in the front, and then back here we'll just kind of spot repair as needed. If we need a sheet of metal for back in that corner, I'll just get a little small piece. Hopefully I'll get one big enough to have enough material to fill in this hole, and then we'll put sound, we'll paint it and then sound deaden everything. I will build some kind of spacers for the bench seat to get it away from the tunnel. And then right here I do have some clamps that we'll put in for this cable here to keep it tucked down to the floor. Right in here in this section I'm going to kind of use some foresight. I'll go underneath and kind of get some measurements of how big or how long the transfer case with the doubler is going to be, and I'll probably cut out this section, move it back, weld it in, and then fill in whatever is left, of a gap. And then we'll paint it all, cover it with the sound deadener, except for like right up in here, because whatever shifters I end up needing for the future doubler and transfer case, we'll still have this area to be able to be worked on. So I'll probably just get some insulation from under the carpet and lay it right there, and then we'll get that figured out. I do have a vinyl covering, floor kit coming, and then the sound deadener heat shield is coming. So I'll more than likely have some left over to slap in there once we get around to doing the transfer case doubler and all the good shifters and stuff that we're gonna need. But this is just a quick video with a preview of what we're gonna have to do. Still waiting on the parts for this and the blue Jeep, so whatever comes in first is gonna get worked on first. So stay tuned, and until next time, y'all take care now.